let me show you how to apply my press-on pre-glued. It already has glue at the base. Cluster lashes. I have clear glue base and I have black glue base. Today we're going to try on all of the black glue clusters. Since it already has glue, it saves you so much time. You don't got to worry about blowing on it, and if you're allergic, it's hypoallergenic. When the glue wears off, you can reuse it by buying my Cluster Lash Glue or my regular Strip Lash Glue. Curl your eyelashes for more of a seamless and uplifted look. Mascara is optional for even more of a seamless look. Make sure that when you pick up your cluster lashes, that your lashes are in between the tweezers so you can get a good grip, and make sure that you don't touch the base because it's sticky as fuck. Starting from the outer corner. Done. Make sure that when you apply them that they connect together just a little bit so it doesn't create a gap and it's more seamless. Style B1 is so natural, wispy, and airy. It's great for brides. Style B2 is so spiky, yet so natural. B3 is so dramatic, yet spiky and wispy. Obsessed. Ooh. B4, I straight up look like I got some mega volume lash extensions on. This shit is gorgeous. Look at this. You will not feel it at all wearing it throughout the day. And when you're done, all you got to do, remove them, put them back in the box. Done.